हाय कृष्णा, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। जैसे तुम एनआईएस कैंप में अटेंड करा था। तो एनआईएस कैंप 21 था ना? 2021।
हाँ 21 था लेकिन कैंप तो 2022 दिसंबर में हुआ था।
हाँ, कैंप 2022 दिसंबर में हुआ था। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कृष्णा, प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ।
Okay, I'm Krishna. I'm from KUSAT. I'm doing a 5-year course, integrated MSc in science, and now I'm majoring in mathematics. And I got into this NIUS program in my first year, which was in like 2021 and 2022. So yeah, that's how I met Keshav.
तो व्हाट थिंग्स शुड स्टूडेंट कीप इन द माइंड while applying there?
If you are interested in physics, like if you are interested in doing a PhD or research work, like pure stuff, and if you feel like you wish to start research from the undergraduate level itself, you will get a exposure, you will get an opportunity to do a project under a guide and stuff, and also in that 8-day camp, you will get an overview
Yes.
of uh, the physics topics and everything that is coming in the next year or in the postgraduate level or undergraduate level. So you will get a whole idea. Also, you will get to meet like many students from all parts of India. So that's a good opportunity.
Can a student apply the multiple subject?
That is not allowed actually. I mean, yeah, because but I was from an integrated MSc science, so in my first 2 years I had to do all the subjects. So like all of the students in my class did like apply for different subjects, and somehow I got for like biology and physics both, and I attended both the camps also. But I would
Biology and
prefer,
chemistry.
yeah, I got biology and physics. So but I wouldn't suggest that, like, but that happened somehow. I couldn't help it. Like, I was waiting for the results, so I didn't know, like, I got for both at the same time. Yeah.
How was your experience and the level of the exam in TIFR HBSCS?
The exam, I don't like remember much, but the questions were asked based upon the topics, the
Lecture.
lectures that, yeah,
Yes,
lectures that were given in the camp. Yeah.
PPT से जो पूछे.
Yeah.
Do you receive any stipend after the getting the internship in TIFR HBSC?
Like for doing the project, like for the summer, winter, and summer, they will give the travel allowance, and also if you're staying at HBCSE, you will get a 600 rupees per day for doing the project, and if you're not taking accommodation from HBCSE, you will get 1,000 rupees per day. So that is a
Okay,
decent amount.
very nice. मतलब 600 rupees per day is very good.
Yeah, at that time it was like that. I don't know right now. Maybe it have reduced or increased. I don't know.
The 600 rupees per day is both year, second year and third year.
The whole project was for 1 year. Like I had 2 summers and 1 winter. So yeah, for that time only. Like maybe summer
Okay.
2 months, winter 1 month. Like that.
How do the professor help doing the summer internship?
Like I was in the superconductivity lab at TFR, so he gave like good guidance, and also the scientific staff, the scientific officer also helped me a lot in the project. I was new to the topic, so like I only had interest. Like I didn't know any basics or anything, so I had to do everything from the beginning. And yeah, they supported.
Can a student work in online for the summer and one winter internship?
If the project is
Online.
theory based, yeah, you can do it online mode. That is fine. But for mine was experimental purely, so I had to go there and do it completely.
On which topic did you do the internship and project?
Mine was instrumentation based. Like I had to make a microcontroller based nano positioner. Like I was doing my project in superconductivity lab. So there is this scanning tunneling microscope, and so it works under like quantum tunneling, the principles of quantum tunneling. And so you need to keep like precise distance between the sample and the tip. So for that you need nanometer precision, and for that
Yes.
you need a nanometer precision, like a nano positioner. So we designed that positioner in the lab. Like it is commercially available, and it will be 50 lakhs or something. but we made it in the lab with home built setup. Like we made use of a microcontroller, which is like used by even kids for their school projects and stuff. So we were able to like reduce the cost of making and stuff. And we published a paper and we gave the patent for free.
इंटर्नशिप मतलब काफी अच्छी रही थी तुम्हारी ड्यूरिंग द।
Mm.
तो और भी जनरल डाउट थे स्टूडेंट के, जैसे जस्ट लाइक कि जो प्रोफेसर जिसके डूइंग अपन इंटर्नशिप करते हैं, तो
Mhm.
उस दौरान मतलब वो बाद में मतलब उसके पीएचडी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, इंटीग्रेट एमएससी या इंटीग्रेट पीएचडी
Yeah.
प्रोग्राम।
If the professor agrees, like you can continue. Like I also like went to TIFR after my duration of the NIUS project. Like I went there the previous summer also because my professor was like, yeah, you can come. You do like, and if possible, he will give you some honorary, like some money, yeah, some stipend.
प्रोफेसर का रिकमेंडेशन लेटर बाद में भी काम आता है, मतलब फॉरेन वगैरह अप्लाई करने में,
हाँ,
फॉरेन इंटर्नशिप, फॉरेन पीएचडी करने में या कि अदर
बहुत बहुत
इंटर।
जरूरी है।
मतलब जब स्टूडेंट अप्लाई कर रहा है, मतलब जब एनआईएस कैंप में देख दो प्लेसेस पे
हम्म।
होता है, एक तो एनजीपी के बेस पे होता है, एक एनआईएस में अप्लाई होता है। तो अप्लाई करते टाइम उसका रिकमेंडेशन लेटर कितना मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट रोल करता है प्रोफेसर के दौरान।
वो वाला recommendation letter, like they check everything, like recommendation letter, that essay we write. uh I took the recommendation letter from some professor, like I knew, like they knew me personally, so I got it from them. And they also check the score also, your score also, like your perseverance, like from 10th standard onwards, like how much are you scoring, like is your grade steady, that kind of. But it isn't like it isn't given to the top scorer or anything. Even from my class, even the students with like more marks than me didn't get it. So I don't know the exact criteria. Like they maybe they look for the essay also, like how much interested you are in physics.
आई थिंक 16 and 65 स्टूडेंट सेलेक्टेड इन एनआईएस कैंप।
Yes, yes, yes. Some 80 came total, I
कितना?
guess.
80?
80 students came and 40 students got project or some 40 plus.
तो जो स्टूडेंट का प्रोजेक्ट में होगा, तो उसको किस बातों, किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है, या जो स्टूडेंट अभी एनआईएस कैंप में जा रहा है और उसको किस टॉपिक पर समर इंटर्नशिप या अपना प्रोजेक्ट कंटिन्यू करना है, तो उसको किस किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है जो तुम्हें मतलब लगी हो कि मैं भी ध्यान दे लेती या ध्यान रखी मैंने।
When you give preference, हम लोगों को मतलब preference देना था ना 5.
यस। यस।
Make sure like the preference that you give, like based upon the your interest, like
तीन,
choose based upon.
थ्री थ्री टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम, कंप्यूटेशनल, थ्योरेटिकल एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटल।
हाँ, exams 3 type का होता है, and focus on the topic you are interested in, only that topic, and make sure that you know you give preference based on your interest. Some students, sometimes what happens is that after getting the project, like they find that they don't have an interest and they don't have an option to change the professor also. So many of the times they drop out. They won't be able to complete the project. Yeah, that happened many times. So just
मतलब
make sure that you choose the correct based on your
प्रेफरेंस
interest.
प्रेफरेंस मतलब भरते समय तुम अपना मतलब पूरा ध्यान से भरो।
हाँ,
और मतलब जिस टॉपिक में तुम्हें इंटरेस्ट हो, वहां पे जो प्रोफेसर लेक्चर देने आ रहे हैं, तो उनसे भी तुम डिस्कस कर
तो
सकते हो।
number one knowledge.
हाँ, तो उनका ईमेल आईडी तुम्हें मिलता ही है वहां पर, तुम उनसे डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। वहां पर वो लंच के दौरान वहां पर रुकते हैं, तुम जस्ट वहां पर डिस्कस कर सकते हो। तो बहुत सारी चीजों पर अपन ध्यान रख सकते हैं। तो मतलब जिस तुम्हें इंटरेस्ट, जिस पे भी तुम्हें टॉपिक डिसाइड करना है, वही तुम्हारा मतलब आगे। तो हाईएस्ट मार्क्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही प्रेफरेंस ऑर्डर भरो, मतलब प्रेफरेंस मिलता होगा। यदि हाईएस्ट मार्क्स तुम्हारे आए तो फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस अलाउ होगा, से दैट इज सेकंड, दैट इज थर्ड। तो थैंक यू कृष्णा फॉर शेयरिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन।
Yeah.